Wiley. And my name is Tyene. Today we're gonna learn about cause and effect. Here we have this teeny tiny cute volcano. Tyene, what are we gonna do with this teeny tiny cute volcano? We're gonna do experiment about cause and effect. Cause is what we do. Effect is result. Let's start an experiment. First we have vinegar and baking soda. Don't forget the sugar. First we put the vinegar. Pour it. Okay, done. Oh no! Why are you not moving me? Then mix it. Yay. And next we add baking soda. Don't put it on the blood. Don't put it on the blood. Oh no. Okay. Oh my! It's almost there. Oh, it's spilling out. It's spilling out again. Oh, the blood! Oh, the other blood. Lab. The cause is putting baking soda in vinegar. The effect is that it started exploding. It started exploding. Bye bye. I hope you learned. See you next time. Let's add more.